Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn exactly how to view the friend requests you've sent on Facebook updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you've been reaching out to new connections or just curious to see who you added, these steps will show you everything in a few simple taps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your full profile and activity settings. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you straight to your personal profile section, where you can manage all your Facebook activities and settings. Next, look for the three dots icon near your profile. Tap on it. A menu will appear with several options to help you control your activity, privacy, and more. From there, select Activity Log. Inside the activity log, you'll see different categories that track the things you do on Facebook like posts, comments, likes, and connections. Here's where you'll find your sent friend requests. Now, under the Connections section, tap on the small arrow beside it to expand the list. This section includes your friends, followers, and friend requests. From the expanded options, tap on Sent Friend Requests. Here, you'll see the complete list of all the friend requests you've sent that haven't been accepted yet. You can scroll through them to review who you've added, and even cancel a request if you've changed your mind by simply selecting the Cancel option next to their name. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view your sent friend requests on Facebook. It's a handy feature to keep track of your connections or clean up pending requests that have been sitting for a while. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to watch another one of our quick tutorials for more simple tips like this. Thanks for watching.